His Excellency Dr. MAHAMUDU BAWUMIA de atoga na fo nyina ni mu se ehun be hia se yapomuden no yemfa nye amanyosam eno ti drone a aban no se emeye adwuma fa nro mfimia bi ekomia hodro bi no ma obi amfa nya amanyosam se ne be betumi aboa ama yenya akwahosan a edemu.
Nani mo bi na Ghana mampenya be de che Dr. AGYEMAN-MANU BAWUMIA ya no se de moja be ku drones mu akọ nkrase ne nkronkito mu akwakoje akrankwa enne mpenifo adadwumadie no wadi na dwumadie no ase no ene oso afọ no hwe apomuden so nyafo KWAKU AGYEMAN-MANU chire se moja ntini kwan se Ghana ni ba biara hwe ne nkwan e wo Ghana ha eno enti mpenifo hye yo mudi abe ye pa omudi moja be gumu ade akoba bi te se epoye frau mfimfini asante ene enkramantem baabi
nanu ya ye be fra de na se ya wie mfidie no ansana ye betu dine papa bi yare wotafo he ya doctors no ka so hia moja na moja ye hia ma papa na bi ni ho ba bi agina sese nso ya ye warehouse wo ha a ye de niema e ba se ho hia ye hia hospital a ye de be kono bi abegu ha enti doctor na wotafo no frɛ ha sei within 15 minutes na aluprinkito anu bi de moja no adu tafo Yamia do moja ndu ho no papa no sebe ye je ne nkwa ote ase ade no na ye ne se ye de santa we enan ni besisi manim na ye di kane ayeni sese de no ba bia aruprekitua no betumi atu pasia ba ebe cover eastern region nyina Afram Plains ba bia ni ho alupre no entumi nko enti ya clinics wo ho ba bia se badin this year hia bibi moja edrobi basinsi bi SM fan contempswa na no madaroma ye be free hay e dia ko within a very short time Britium ebe cover some parts of Volta region, some parts of Ashanti, some parts of Greater Accra ye we are ba bi foforo ho ye be ye we bi e wo ho a no so ye de be fly entie bia be dru afentem no na ya ye center we nko anan a ebe cover Ghana ba bia
Ghana mampenyi abedi che Dr. AGYEMAN-MANU BAWUMIA so kasa kire se owo eto wasabi enim so ye we anaso from yukwa asumesi anase bi mu wade obekọ na strade ba ku menu mu betumi aye ama ewo no ano abrase anase atwe akwachire ebi animoji benya ede ama wontem so enti abanse ye ode abe eye na yensum.
The excitement, however, today as we are here in Omenako is for two reasons. First, we are using technology to increase the access of Ghanaians to one of the basic public services that every citizen deserves. Second, we are using technology to solve a major problem in our health delivery service to those in remote areas that cannot be reached easily by roads. If you have to get to the Dwarf Islands on Afram Plains, standing from here today, and someone needs medicine on one of the Dwarf Islands in Afram Plains, just think of how long you will take to get that medicine to that place. We can now prevent the death of the mother in labor in these deprived areas who needs blood. We can now deliver critical medicine like snake serum to regional and district hospitals in the shortest possible time. I am personally excited because today, Ghana joins other countries in using drone technology to deliver healthcare services. And we are also launching the biggest medical drone delivery system globally. That is the biggest in the world. It is therefore clear that we cannot afford to reduce this important service into dual politicking, because anybody who is dying will not be asked to show their party card, whether MPP, NDC, CPP, or PPP, before care is extended to him or her.